And as Jamaicans prepare for the severe rain over the next few days, the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, is urging people who live near crocodile habitats to be on the lookout for sightings of the animal and report to NEPA or other relevant authorities. NEPA says with the increased rainfall, expected displacement is possible.
We're urging persons as well to exercise caution in areas close to swamps, rivers, and gullies, as these are known habitats. But it's also important to note that the animals can be displaced in heavy rainfall conditions as well as during flooding. If it is that you are in a community, it would also be important to notify others, friends and families and neighbors, about the presence of the animal in the area.
NEPA's Ecosystems branch, Monique Curtis, says persons should avoid close contact with crocodiles if spotted.
Encounter the American crocodile during the heavy rainfall event. We're encouraging them to take steps, firstly, to ensure their safety. We're encouraging them to maintain a safe distance from the animal, because these animals can be unpredictable and it's important for us not to provoke them. We're also encouraging them to report the sighting to the agency by contacting us at 876-754-7540